Okay, kelas kita masuk lagi contoh another example. Okay, tengok sini dia bagi questions, dia bagi the range is until 360 degree, and the question asks you to find the period and the equation of asymptote. What is the equation of asymptote? Okay, tiba-tiba kan tadi tanya pasal benda lain. Okay, tanya pasal period, dia tanya pasal lain-lain. Okay, now dia tanya pasal equation of asymptote pula. Okay, so how to solve these questions? Okay, so kita pergi yang senang dulu, the period. Okay, so tangent, nampak dia tanya pasal tangent, because of that the question ask you about the asymptote, not amplitude. Okay, so kita pergi yang senang dulu, kita buat the period first. Okay, kita buat period untuk yang pertama ni. Okay, so period, ingat period kita akan dapat formula period pi over b. So for question number 1, saya padam. So for question number 1, kita akan dapat the period is pi over 2, and question number 2 kita akan dapat pi over 1 over 2, that is 2 pi. And for question number 3, kita akan dapat pi over 3, terus direct je kat situ. Okay, so settle untuk question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, untuk cari period dia. Okay, now dari period dia. Okay, now kita nak buat untuk B, untuk the next, find the equation of the what? Asymptote. Okay, so saya draw dulu straight line here, tunjukkan dia punya horizontal line. So kurang je supaya you nampak. Okay, kenapa saya draw 4? Sebab kita kena recall balik, with one complete cycle kan, 360 degree, kita ada 4 line macam ni. Kita bahagi pecah 4 line so that is easier for us to draw the tangent graph. Kalau kita, but for one complete cycle macam ni, one complete, I talking about one complete cycle not one period. Okay, so we have only two, okay, only two asymptote. So if b, the value of b is 1, so the asymptote is 2. Okay, so if I say the value of b is 2, the asymptote should be 4 lah. Okay, if we double. Okay, so tengok sini, kita patah balik pada soalan. So sekarang kita punya ni tangent to b. So mana b kita 2, maknanya kalau b kita 1 tadi, ada 2 asymptote. B di kita ada 2. Our b is, the value b is 2, so kita ada 4 lah asymptote. Okay, but to draw it at the first, saya nak mula dari sini lah. So punya graph kat sini. So this is one period. Okay, one period. Sini dah tak, dia dah jadi one complete cycle. Okay, so one period kat sini, stop kat sini. Kita dapat value period for question number 1 tadi pi over 2. So kat sini ni adalah pi over 2 or 90 degree. So kalau kat sini 19 degree, kat sini berapa? Okay, so kat sini you nampak ni, kita buat partition macam ni senang. Okay, so ada 2 divide by 2, so kita akan dapat 45 degree. So each for each line, I can say for each unit to go here 45, here 45, here 45, and so on. The value same. Okay, so therefore kita daripada sini, okay, this is our asymptote and here is our asymptote. So from here to here kita terus boleh kata add with 90 lah, sebab ni 45, 45, so jadi 90. So kita add 90, we will get 135. So our asymptote is 45 and another one is 135. So remember, we're talking about the graph that is always continuous with the same shapes. continuous, symmetry semua. So kita boleh buat conclusion kita macam saya kata tadi, if we have the value of b is 1, ini 1, kita ada 2 asymptote. If value of b is 2, so kita will get 4 asymptote. Okay, so meaning we should have 4 asymptote here. So kita tambah je lah, 135 plus 90, we will get 135 plus 90. So we will get 225. And another one, 225 plus 90, we got 315. So cukuplah 4. Okay, cukup untuk 4. Okay, now kita tengok soalan nombor 2 pula. Okay, nombor 2. Okay, saya padam mana yang perlu je lah. Okay. Okay, now. So kita punya B sekarang half 1/2. So kalau B 1/2, kalau B 1, you ada 2 asymptote. Kalau B 1/2, so berapa asymptote you ada? You should get 1 asymptote only lah. So 1 asymptote. So senang. Kita faham, bukan hafal, jangan hafal, but faham. Okay. So maknanya dia ada 1 asymptote saja, tak ada banyak-banyak. Okay, but you need to understand the period. Kita tahu soalan period untuk soalan nombor 2 tadi, periodnya adalah 2 pi. So meaning that 1 complete year is 2 pi. So the period is 2 pi. Okay, dah cukup lah. So graf kita dah sambung kat sini. Okay, kalau kita sambung lagi dia jadi 4 pi kat sini. So tapi given that the range is until 2 pi sahaja, 360. So this is the asymptote divided by 2 lah. So 180. So kita dapat satu je asymptote. Senang sahaja. Okay. So lukisan ni tak wajib. It's just the understanding. Okay. So nampak question ni. Okay. Question ni tak effect pun plus 1 kat situ sebab tak ada apa-apa pun. So asymptote dia tetap tak berubah. Tak effect belakang ni. C tak effect the asymptote. Tak effect the period. Okay. So now kita pergi untuk soalan sini, maknanya dia ada 3. So maknanya how many asymptote that we have? We should have until 6 lah. Kalau kita ada 1, B value B is 1, dapat 2, value B 2 tadi kita dah tunjuk ada 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So kalau value B dia 3, should be have 6 asymptote. Okay, cuma kita buat benda senang tadi, period. So period for question number 3 is pi over 3. So here is pi over 3. Pi over 3 kalau nak senang, 180 divided by 3 is 60 degree lah. So 60 degree. So kat sini berapa degree? Kat sini 30 degree lah. Okay, so the first asymptote is 30 degree. Okay. The first asymptote is 30 degree. You tahu asymptote yang kedua adalah kat sini. Okay, so from here 30 ke sini 30 tambah sini jadi 60. So kat sini jadi 90. Nampak? Add with 30. Okay, 90. So add with another 60, you akan dapat 150. Add with another 60, 210. Add with another 60, 270. Add with another 60, 330. So dapat. Okay, so easy sahaja. Understand the concept. Okay, so for you, I would like you to do question this A 1, 2, 3. Okay, B ni tak perlulah. Okay, no need. Okay, kita tak nak sketching graph hari ni. Kita just nak solve the simple without sketching. Okay, so that's all.